Do this and you will be welcome anywhere. Principle 1. Become genuinely interested in other people. When people are interested in us, we are interested in them. We are more likely to like those who appreciate us and treat us as equals. Greet people enthusiastically to demonstrate that you are glad to meet and speak with them. Show that you actually care about them and their interests by spending time and effort to do thoughtful, unselfish things that are important to them. Do things for other people that require time, energy, and thoughtfulness. You won't have many true friends if you only try to impress people and pique their interest in you. True friends are not made in this manner. Invite them to tell you about their achievements and to check in on their personal and professional endeavors. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 2, Ways to Make People Like You. Subscribe, like, follow for more.